What's up, Dickle?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
That's a good spot right here.
Yeah, that's good.
Do you have any questions?
Did you guys tell him he doesn't have to do these?
What's that?
Did you guys tell him he doesn't have to do these?
You focus on your job, I'll focus on mine.
It was just a question. It's part of my job to ask questions. So I was just curious if you told this guy he doesn't have to do these tests or not. These are all voluntary.
Fire and medic, clear to enter.
Copy, fire medic, clear to enter.
Next thing I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you stand on this line.
What's up, dude?
Put your left foot in front of your right. Okay, stay in that position until I let you start.
Dang, Dickle's gonna be the thumbnail or what? It's gonna say that. It's gonna say focus on your job.
Along this line. On your ninth step, you're going to take a small series of steps around whatever you land on and go back. You're going to keep hands and take back. So I'm going to demonstrate for you. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. Small circle. And back the way you came, okay? If at any point,
Stay up 2.
You don't have to do these, by the way.
Hasn't already been advised, we're code 41 detained.
KM2, copy, code 41, detained, code 33, located 1732.
Ooh, side. Dang, appreciate you, man. Thank you. MJ805. Thank you, side. John S. Yeah. John S. Yep, that's what's going on.
Here's the question. Are you going to leave my car to a safe location? Is it locked?
Well, I'll ask you.
Is it safe?
I'll ask you. Right now, you're not illegally parked. Are you comfortable with me securing it right there? Leaving it for you? Sure. You don't have to pay.
Sure. Is all my cash on hand?
Is there items in the car you'd like me to get out for?
Possibly my cash.
Okay. Where's the cash at?
Possibly another console.
Okay. Perfect. We're gonna take a short walk over to my car real quick, and then I'll come back and grab all that stuff for you. All right?
You know for a fact that when I was in Texas, I literally had y'all pick me up as my Uber. I painted all of this. Now, if you need to leave people in jail, I don't give a f***. I'm God. Tell us.
Well, I understand. I understand.
Come on.
Do you have anything left?
This is
Look
how
that
you
way for
call
me.
me?
Look that way for me, sir. Look that way. Look that way for me, please.
Can you be cooperative? We appreciate it.
Good. Thank you so much. I'm just bracing your legs. So relax your arm for a quick. I'm just going to pull them away so I can take
You be chilling with it. Pants.
You said that at 6 this morning?
Side, John S.
Okay.
Brandon Mitchell.
Right?
I'm perfect.
Sometimes people carry stuff.
No, I don't. You need to. I really will say that.
JD.
Evan had to take a seat for me. Slide all the way in for me. So put your seat on. You got to slide. I can't get the seat on. Just a little more percent. There we go.
The apple, what up?
Give me 1 sec. I'll make sure your car's locked. Okay? Is there anything else you want out of your car?
Frank Evans.
I'll make sure it's locked. Is there anything you want? I think his cell phone is there. Ask him if he wants his cell phone.
You know it's illegal to record me in California.
Is your wallet in?
You know it's illegal to record me.
No, it's not. Bill Flores.
790, can you show me 1015?
You can stand by.
Copy 1050.
All right, process.
Keeper, have a great day.
Hey, you do your job, I'll do mine. Famous words. That's gonna be the thumbnail, Dickle. Keep an eye out for it.